In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort text from A to Z in Microsoft Word. First, start by highlighting the exact content you want to rearrange. This can be a simple list, multiple paragraphs, or even a table. The selection matters because Word only sorts what you've highlighted, and it keeps everything outside that selection unchanged. If you're working with a table, include the full rows you want to sort, so each row stays intact. With your text selected, head to the Home tab at the top of Word. In the paragraph group, look for the Sort button. It's the one with the A over Z and a little arrow. Click it to open the Sort Text dialog. Inside this dialog, you'll choose how Word should organize your selection. Pick Ascending to sort from A to Z. Ascending means Word will place entries in alphabetical order for text, from smallest to largest for numbers, and from earlier to later for dates. Next, tell Word what kind of content you're sorting: text, number, or date. This choice is important because it changes how Word compares each item. For example, 2, 10, and 100 will be ordered correctly as numbers, while as text, they might appear out of numeric order. Likewise, dates will be recognized chronologically when you choose Date, even if they use different formats that Word understands. If your selection is a table or multi-column layout, Word uses your selection to determine which lines or rows move together. As long as you selected complete rows, each row will travel as a unit during the sort, so related information stays aligned. When you're satisfied with your choices, click OK. Word instantly applies the sort and rearranges the highlighted content from A to Z. Give it a quick scan to confirm everything appears as expected. Here are a few simple tips to get the cleanest results. Make sure each item you want sorted starts on its own line or is clearly separated. Consistent formatting, like keeping extra spaces to a minimum and using the same date style, helps Word interpret your content accurately. And if the outcome isn't quite right, just press undo and try a different option in the dialog. That's all there is to it. By selecting your content, opening the Sort Text dialog from the Home tab, choosing Ascending, picking the right data type, and clicking OK, you can quickly organize your text and present it more clearly.